Good day, everyone. Here is our activity, the MySQL review that databases. I'm Remedios, the project manager, together with my group mates, Iris Rudas, Rose Simbarona, Raisalin Imata. And here in my PHP admin, we're gonna create a database. First is we're gonna create database name assistance. Then use assistance and create table name client. And the client ID is our primary key, auto increment. Then inside the table client, here is the first name, last name, address, and contact number. And here is the result of the database we create, called assistance. In the left corner, we're gonna see here the assistance that a database we create. And here is our table name client. And when input here the client ID, first name, last name, address, and contact number. And we're gonna use the insert queries. The purpose of insert queries is to insert a data in our table that we create. And here is insert into client ID, first name, last name, address, and contact numbers. And here is our 5 examples. This is our 5 examples of the data we will insert to our table name called client. So after we find the error, we debug the insert into client.
Client. Sa client yung table.
And after the insert SQL statement, here is the result for our data. Data that we create, the 5 data we create. The client ID, 1, Shalami Remedios, 2, Iris Rudas, 3, Rose Barona, 4, Raisa Imata, and 5 is Joy Pastiana. Then next will be the select queries. Miss Iris, can you state what is select purpose is?
Select query. The purpose of select queries to retrieve data from a database. Like for example,
Yeah. Dili na ba? Ay, dito ko na po. Example is select first name, last name from client where contact number is 1089. And this is the result for the select queries. Like we select the first name of Iris Rudas, because the contact number of Iris Rudas is 1089. Then another example is of select queries. Is select asterisk from client where contact number is 4550. So, and here is the output for the select. We select the client where contact number is greater than 4550. So here are the list for a contact number greater than 4550. Then another select example is select asterisk from client where contact number is less than 1089. And here are the result for the data with pick less than 1089 for the contact.
Greater than, oy.
Ha? Less than mo to siya. Or greater than.
Greater than.
Select asterisk from client where contact number is greater than 1089. So next queries we will try is the update. Miss Barona, can you state what is the update update SQL queries purpose?
Update and SQL update statement changes the data of one or more records in a table. So in our examples, update client set address equals Santa Ana where client ID equals 6.
So here is our update.
Sige po, may good go.
The address of client ID 5 is changed into Santa Ana. We will try another update examples. So here is another example of update. Update client set last name is equals to Asil, comma, address is equals to Santa Cruz where client and client ID is equals to 1. So the result is here. The client ID is equal to 1 and the address is changed to last name. Address is changed to Santa Cruz and the last name is changed to Asil. And now we will move to the delete SQL queries. Example for our delete is Miss Himata, can you state what is the purpose of delete queries?
Delete queries. The purpose of delete is to delete a data from a database.
So we have here example for the delete. Delete from client where first name is equals to Shella and last name is equals to Asel. So this data will be deleted to the table client we created. So after you click the go, the local host says, do you really want to execute delete from client where first name is equals to Shella and last name is equals to Asil? So you can click OK. And that data will be deleted to our table. Wala lagi siya na-delete. My God. So, and here is another example of delete. So, we're gonna delete from client where client ID is equals to, for example, we're gonna delete number 3, client ID number 3. And the local host says, do you really want to execute delete from client where client ID is equals to 3? Then select OK. Then that row is deleted and showed in our query box. And our session ends here. Thank you for watching our MySQL